Hi, second graders. Miss Gruby is here. Today we're going to talk about facts and opinions. Remember that facts can be proven to be true and that opinions are what someone believes, thinks, or feels. So we're going to read these statements over here and try to decide, are each of these statements a fact or are they an opinion? Here is our first statement. Earth is the third planet from the sun. Now I want you to think, is that just what someone thinks, or could we prove that by looking it up in a book or on the internet? I bet we could prove that one, so I'm going to put it under facts. Our next statement says, soccer is the hardest sport in the world. Now think, could we prove that by looking it up somewhere? Or is that just what someone thinks? I think that one's an opinion, because I don't think everyone would think that soccer is the hardest sport in the world. The next statement says about 30% of Earth is land. Now think, is that a fact or an opinion? If you said fact, you are correct. The next statement says it is more fun to play in water than on land. That statement is an opinion because not everyone would think that. Some people might think it's more fun to play on land. Earth is the 5th largest planet. If you think that's a fact, you are correct. The next statement says, elephants are the smartest animal that live in our planet. That one is also a fact. Earth is estimated to be about 4.5 to 5 billion years old. That statement is also a fact because we could prove it. North America is the best place to live. I don't think everyone would agree with that, so I think that one is an opinion. The last statement says that about 70% of the Earth is water. We could prove that, so again, this one is a fact. Remember that facts can be proven to be true and that opinions are just what you think or believe. Bye, second graders.